Nipo would you protected or protected say no ya Juma Basa.
Ah, kusi ajuma.
Ah, say.
Eh, Juma Basa de.
The open it din who open it din abo ho ban. The open din papa no. In Penifosi din pa yesene hunya.
Sure.
Ni open sa di pa no. Nya Juma Basa we ni din din pa.
Say Juma no ya.
For Juma be no Mugu Football Association wo mo ye. The state of Ghana football aye Basa yi. Juma Basa we o mo ye. Now
do you blame the FA alone?
Who should I blame?
The sports ministry. Who is
in charge of our football? Who is in charge of our football?
The FA.
And it is a football now a bazaar. Who should I blame first? The first point of blame should go to the Football Association. Why not a ministry na bam? Directly, omo running a football my ministry, a FA. Omo running football my directly. It is not the ministry. It is the FA.
Sure, I know.
Yes, it is a footballer saying as I am Basa. Ni aye Juma Basa ye the Ghana footballer. A football association for na. And they are young qualifying African Cup of Nations. You become ministry na say all right. But first point of blame should go to the Football Association because they are in charge of our football.
We be cast so more 4, more 5, or more 6.
And a ball mummy nya no be answer baby. Because born when you use such a born also. You himself more 4, more 5, more 8. But your ball 4, no 5, no 8. On to some office or and mama yajuma. Football people for your movie or no say. Omo huni se ball na ekoyi de omo yi ni so hweso no hweso yi oh so football people for omo ka adwuma basa ye ne ho they are part of the rough work omo ye no football association wono se si Ghana football na is a sketch I say is a sketch and a rough work and omo ye ma ye let's be honest, let's call a spade and not a big fork. Let's be honest, and that's a big spoon. A sketch, a rough work on your football association. Now saying you run a football. Then they say Ghana and Kobia qualified to your football administrator. I decided the card maker to Ado as I'm so on Yadi, and I would tell me the Chinchilla to Ado your coach. I don't know coach. Now so to Ado your coach. Now come here and show you a Ghana and Ibia bit me. Experience I want Ghana in first one and your free experience. Or the Ghana World Cup. Or the Ghana World Cup. Nay a year bang. 2022 sure sa na man for the free education 2016 policy aye campaign 2024 no
the will ka ko say
me ka ko say ade ni twam atwam sa yes
na de twam ase yetimi review ade no
yes aye no kre but I know ne dan chen who the Ghana qualify for World Cup in 2022 World Cup qualifiers and why the boy who about 2 matches so about 2 matches and 2 matches Ghana and Nigeria say you play off Obi Epe World Cup ako even without coaches the players are going to play their hearts out player ben in World Cup uncle it's even without coaches players ni be ko mo ball because a World Cup asem ne yeken e ji so ujira no so na se coach modern mon konkan na untimi nkan che na wadwene ya wo se o the Ghana qualify World Cup no nko anti the modern mon osoro agisa nko ya untimi nkan e say ya na football ne be baba be ye ate say ya na football ne be ye because yentimi nkan no kwan fan kire nipa when they are going wrong
anokra no kana nipa nintie
we kana nipa nintie adwuma na hye wo wonsa pam no na ta me wo tumi wo football association wan ko to ado nye coach ma blaster kama pam no
nto bo mo wo tumi no mo hu se onya ade ana
ade ti na me ka cho se minim se ne sakora ni ntia ketokre ku mo nko ne ho to ado so e Pep Guardiola ebi o mo nyina e sakora ni ntia because Paula Juma na o ye no
we o sakora bia na e Pep Guardiola
sasa na bi o mo hu no e bia ne tiri ho apa nti o mo hu se
kotoko coach o e Pep
Why possible semisi ebia anti ebia na possible ebia na possible nipa bia na supporters bia na mpanyifo bi ehun ni so Pep Guardiola and even with Prosper Cross at least waje Ghana Premier League or Ghana
to ado afei no start ya oba
afei no start ya oba
Sise mu nyina so mu nya abotrem omo Senegal mu nya
abotrem amfo na che ne nto aso
sise o
senya kura na nkyere se kura saa
o start ye na enyo
na me se
sise no start na enyo
senya kura na nya kura saa
ntiare nti na ensu nya abotrem o tuado
ye bo African Cup of Nations qualifiers coach about 6 matches we lose 3 we draw 3 Black Stars assembly here can Chad mu nya 3 points omo lose 3 draw 3 it's na Ghana Black Stars level the Chad national team na yepe
or build the team no
enti na me se senya kura na nya kura saa papa ni mo de mo nkonkan anya ya kamu me yan kamu si afen wa hyase ene mfa nko si afen wa hyade ase afen wa hyade ase MS5 di kodi gwa ba African Cup of Nations no tournament ni mu an ya pamo head coach tournament ni mu an
assistant
an ya pamo head coach
no assistant to
to ado ba head coach da no nya assistant oba head coach da wona aka kire ye so de qualify World Cup no na aka
anana me na me ka wo
no sa de ko World Cup
so de qualify o de qualify
head coach da
da bi Biggy enye se me na me ka yo
wa yes scout about Black Stars team ne da aba ye head coach da and what chance oba biem
being a scout is different from
coaching. It means he's been part of the team o see MS fire no ka team ne ho Otuaro has been part of the Black Stars team before. In fact, he has led before. And Sana was saying about him. MS Fire Power head coach within the tournament. Abrana Cote d'Ivoire come on the last group game. He gave them that glimmer of hope. And on the African Cup of Nations said the man Cote d'Ivoire. Obayen Cheye. 6 matches, 3 losses, 3 draws. And the guy about qualifies. So yeah, the Ghana to charge them. Now it's 1 year to so we so. So me so ani atam $50,000 near the amaway as a coach. Come here and show.
We now can the Biggy nyabotre.
Come here and show.
We need
me say Ghana ni bia betimi aye come here and show. Atakwa tie for Black Stars man no. Atakwa je Black Stars
ne coach ni
show for me ni ntua o.
License man no.
Remember draw me show. Remember draw the at least.
Come here and show the obia betimi aye o. E ti so your coach and the team ma o. Na ko ni e kokko hye wo ba na wo be ka se wo bo ho mo dia. Onye hwe. Because I call okay jikura so when you team ni enkonko hye ne so obetimi aye o gugu afi wonum no to adum na eno amo na say your football no yenka do kran fa nkere wo mo your football ni gu ene ma nye ya ka mo ma yenka na mo jike to krekumu to na mo nka no kran fa nkere wo mo no mo te football association wo no mo ye de wo mo pe
nti nsema ya kan bebrebe o mo nyaade nti o mo ntiana
enya wona na otia no ma wo kaketa sem defending ni
min defending no ba mi busa say yensem aye kan o ma bo mo nyaade na nti uka so mo nti
tena o chance na wo defend no
min de nyese mi defend o ba say na wo ka no
eja na she wo de wo yu wo
eja na she mi nyi ni hu fim me ka say yentimi mblemu kat nko a ni football for ne
na me ye meble me
yenti na say start free ministry ho
me obi amba madwuma me ne ye meble me
I was here starting free ministry. Was here blame more monko. Ah, na big one majuma samenya na adwuma na odi amame no. Hwese adwuma mi ye ni ya. E ba se blame se anya adwuma.
The only football adwuma. Our ministry ne dia share evidenza. The national teams.
Yes. Your national teams.
Yes.
And how is it going?
We national teams the free one ma. How is our league going?
How is the national team going? National teams no sign echo. Our national teams no sign echo.
Nipa ba kwa yan tu na yem yapa a former sports minister.
There been a holiday e
said that was why the government was keeping him. It was for political reasons. And yana jumo as a sports minister.
Ah, say.
Kwame. It was because of the votes he was pulling for the MPP in his part of the country.
Somebody really here as a company.
And yes, son, and yana juma as a sport and a juma as a sports minister could be an engine go 3 months.
Ah, Biggy.
Kwame.
And you can so 3 months.
Then you can then Mustafa Yusuf did 3 months as a sports minister. Compare Mustafa Yusuf a Juma. Neka Nilante so swasem. Nilante became the sports minister only for 10 months. Compare the two, the difference. The football na say you be come in masem.
Okay,
but the national teams is not the only aspect of our football. It's for the football association there. We look at the larger picture. Omo de mon konkan. Omo your football by heart, rough work and sketch work. And omo de Ghana football here. Now we can say ebi mo secret NDC ni.
Yes.
And around there be NDC ni. This is an open secret.
Omo de na aba.
This is an open secret. But whoever gets the nod to become the sports minister, say you kneel and tear. Kneel and tear semina or kai, you know. before NDC ba be di aba no say inilante antimi anya hia me mu na numa sembiem
ate
so betimi ayi so ntimi nyeminim
adwuma na ebe
eno ne yewo
adwuma na be kire
me de eminyanya sa agidie no ai eyewo ntimi ni wonni akidie but me de eye ni nwuma obaye na be prove me say obetimi aye ana say ontimi nye na wo so waye be in the past eye no kre but just as I said jobs in the past should be left in the past
as if you obi past ho ne de ajeje no
based on the track record
sure
it's based on the track record no nipa bi anya gidie ene nsema na nse o sa be kaaye no a triple gidie no nti omo nya sa gidie ni man disappoint omo de wo ye ni mre bi ni de wa ye atwa mu o sisi aye hwede obetimi aye